Your touch feels like sunset. I don't wanna forget this. Golden light across your face, like time decided to slow its pace. Every color melts in you, shades of red and amber hue. Your fingers brushing over mine, sends a spark I can't define. In this moment, nothing's wrong. Like this is where we both belong. And I don't wanna chase the night when I'm already in your light. If this fades, I'll still confess I never felt a love like this. Your touch feels like sunset, warm and soft, I can't forget. Every second, every breath feels like something heaven sent. We don't need forever now, we just live in this somehow. If it ends, I won't regret. Your touch feels like sunset. Feel it on my skin, pull me back again. Shadows falling, turning blue. Still I'm lost inside of you. Every heartbeat slows in time when your world collides with mine. No more words, just let it be. You're the calm inside of me. Even if the night takes over, I'll remember every color. And I don't wanna look away from the light that starts to fade. 'Cause in your arms I found a place I know I'll never replace. Your touch feels like sunset, warm and soft, I can't forget. Every second, every breath feels like something heaven sent. We don't need forever now, we just live in this somehow. If it ends, I won't regret. Your touch feels like sunset. The sun falls outside, will you stay here through the night? Even when the colors fade, will you remember what we made? Don't let it disappear. I still feel you here. The light is gone, but I still feel every touch was something real. Your touch feels like sunset. I feel you in every moment, like time is moving just for us. Every second feels like us. If this is just a fleeting phase, let it burn, don't let it fade. We got electric love in slow motion. Every feeling deep as the ocean. Every glance, every emotion pulling to your devotion. We don't need to rush tonight. We're suspended in this light. If it breaks, I'll still know. Oh, oh, oh. We had love in slow motion. Love in slow motion. Love in slow motion. Don't let me go. Neon shadows on your skin. Every move pulls me back in. Like a rhythm out of time. Your heartbeat sinking into mine. We don't speak, we just feel something way too strong to heal. No tomorrow in our sight, just forever in this night. And I don't need to understand why your touch feels like a plan. Like the universe aligned, just to bring your world to mine. We got electric love in slow motion. Every feeling deep as the ocean. Every glance, every emotion pulling me into your devotion. We don't need to rush tonight. We're suspended in this light. If it breaks, I'll still know. Oh, oh, oh. We had love in slow motion. If the world starts moving fast, I'll stay right here in what we have. Even if it slips away, we lived a lifetime in one day. I still feel the spark lighting up the dark. Time moves on, but I don't change. You're still running through my veins. So heartbeat, so heartbeat, so heartbeat. Somewhere between the tide and your heart, I found where I belong. We were standing where the water meets the sand. You reached for me, I didn't need to understand. The world was quiet, like it paused for us. In that silence, I learned to trust. Every wave was pulling us in, like a story we were living in. No past behind, no future ahead. Just the words we never said. And I don't know where this will go, but I feel it deeper than I show. Like something timeless, something true is pulling me closer to you. Somewhere between the